Hey, welcome to back. I am Mohammad Amir, and you are seeing my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to make an extra 500 a month dollar to 45 proven ways that actually work. In this video, we will discuss how to make a money online up to a $500 a month to $5,000 a month. There are many ways to make an extra $500 a month or $200 a month or 1,000 a month. Yes, you can do that. You can make a money up to a $500 to $5,000. But if you are anything like me, you get stuck in the idea phase. Taking action and actually committing to doing something is the hard part. As the saying goes, there are a million ways to make $1 million. But without focusing on one thing, you will never get there. Here are some of my favorite ideas on how to make an extra $500 a month. Mission? What is the mission? Wait, before you read further, you have to promise me one thing before you keeping reading. Commit to action to make something today, to learn something today. Here, first of all, I will tell you to become a virtual assistant and make extra money, income potential. To become a virtual assistant, how much you can earn? Here, $25 to $50 per hour you can make money. So you can calculate the weekly income or monthly income. You can get better result. So skill needed skills. Which skill you need to start virtual assistant category? Not much to get started except willingness to learn. You just start learning and willingness to learn something. You can make more if you have specialized skills. If you have skills, you can make up to $5,000 per month. Here are a few ideas. In this video, we discuss when you start, where to start, and from which skills you can earn money. So first of all, the first thing is that email management. You can make a $500 per week if you have an email management skills. In other words, second one is data entry. So everyone know that what is the scope of data entry. Everyone is doing that. So please, if you have a data entry skills, you can make $5,000 per month. Third one is social media management. You can make a control of social media management through Upwork or profile, Fiverr profile. So therefore you can make gimmick services on Upwork social media management. You can make a money $2,000 per month. $2,000 per month. Customer services. If you have a good communication skills, you can give your services as a customer services to the hotel management and etc. etc. If you think your customer services is better, then you go for the hoteling services. You can make money up to $5,000 to $10,000 by editing, proofreading the content. Dear, you can make the money through editing the content. And the second last is creating graphics. If you have a graphic designing skills, you are the luckily in the 2022 that you have a skills in these days. You can give your services as a logo designer, brochures, etc. You can make money up to $500 per day if you have a good graphic designing skills. And the last thing is this online marketing. If you have references and the skills, you can utilize them. Then you must go through the online marketing. So therefore you can make a money almost $1,000 for your extra pocket money. So in this video today we have discussed some points. Inshallah, we will meet you in the next video and we will describe each and every skills in details. So please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So therefore our next video will show up in your notification box. Bye bye.